the word case, to refer to a specific instance or example of something. In any case, in this case, a special case. In any case, we will proceed with the meeting as scheduled. In this case, I think it's best to go with the original plan. The manager's special case required immediate attention to indicate a legal matter or lawsuit, and court case, legal case, criminal case. A lawyer prepared his court case for the trial, and she is currently handling a legal case involving property disputes. The criminal case was postponed due to new evidence, to refer to a situation or condition, and worst case scenario, best case scenario, worst case situation. Man, in the worst case scenario, the project will be delayed by several months. The best case scenario is that we finish ahead of schedule. He feared the worst case situation after hearing the news. To indicate the state or condition of something. In good case, in poor case, in case of. The equipment is in good case, ready for use. The machine is in poor case and needs urgent repair. In case of an emergency, please dial the emergency number immediately to identify a container or box used for storing things. An in suitcase case, briefcase, storage case. He packed his clothes into a suitcase case for the trip. The lawyer brought his briefcase filled with important documents, and the old books were kept in a storage case on the top shelf.